Oh no, Ben just broke his dad's favorite watch, and Dad doesn't know yet. What will Dad do when he finds out? Let's find out.
Wow. It is beautiful. Oh no. Dad's watch. I am sorry. I am so sorry. Please, stay here. I am so sorry.
Ben, have you seen my watch? Ben?
No. I did not see it.
That is okay. Maybe I left it somewhere else. That is strange.
I lied.
Good morning. What are you looking for?
My watch. I cannot find it.
Did you leave it in the bedroom?
No. I remember bringing it here.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Ben. Are you okay? Yes. I am okay. Ben, you look worried. No. I am fine. Ben, are you hiding something? Ben, you can tell me. Whatever happened, I will listen. I cannot.
Ben, look at me. Something is hurting your heart. Did someone hurt you?
No.
Did you get hurt?
No. Mom,
Yes?
I cannot.
That is okay. Take your time.
The truth is hard, but it helps. I am sorry. I am sorry.
It is okay. I am here.
My watch. I think someone knows what happened. I am not angry. I only want the truth.
You are not alone. Dad,
I am listening.
I broke your watch. I picked it up. It is beautiful. It slipped. It fell. It broke. I was scared, so I hid it. Then I lied. I am so sorry. I know, you love that watch. I did not want to hurt you.
Thank you for telling the truth.
That took courage.
Ben, thank you.
Thank you?
Yes, thank you for telling the truth. Do you know why this watch is special?
No.
Many years ago, my father gave me this watch.
It was your grandfather's favorite watch. He wore it every single day.
Your grandpa wore it every day, when he worked, when he laughed, when he spent time with me. One day, he placed it in my hand. He smiled. He said, "Take good care of it."
I am so sorry.
I know. You made a mistake. But you told the truth. Ben, you are more important than any watch.
Like our story video.
Subscribe for more stories.
Turn on notifications. See you again.
What would you do if you broke your father's favorite watch? Tell us in the comments.